Próphêt Ebuka have tell Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, and his senators to release Mazi Nnamdi. He rejected Próphêt Ebuka rejected a birthday gift and make a wish to release Mazi Nnamdi to the governors. Tell them to stand up and release Mazi Nnamdi, that the development that was booming in Southeast have shifted to other states. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And you know, say your first time and you never subscribe to our channels. What are you waiting for? I may you quickly go subscribe to our channel and also follow our social media handles for a quick update as it is hot. We are here to bring you a wenge news as it is hot. So now back to back with the bringer they come. Let's quickly jump into the matter where we get for hand today. They say that Alaba International Market was under lock and key today. So a lot of talk has raised up that all Igbo's market, not only Alaba International Market, there is some other market that is under lock and key in Lagos State as we are speaking. So we quickly went into the investigation to find out the reason why they lock those shops. But the issue here is that this is the reason they give to the market people, and we don't know what is their agenda in Lagos of closing all market belonging to Igbo market in the place where Igbo people are trading in Lagos. So one of the reasons why they say that they lock all this market, one in Alaba International Market, they say that there is some money they call PSP money, something like that. So that money, they say the people are like, when we try to hear from the people, they say that they are paying that money, but the people who are in charge of the market are not paying the money to the government, and for this reason the shop was locked. The market was totally locked, so that if any part of the market that come and clears their debt, they will open the market for them. So this is the information we'll get direct from Alaba and direct from the people who are also working in the market as well. So because a lot of information is out there, interpreting it in another form, but we'll try to tell you what is going on. So in case of maybe half shop, you are not in Nigeria and someone want to use this opportunity to tell you this and that, know that this is the reason. Try to confirm if they are paying this PSP money, whatever they call it, in your shop as well. So guys, let's quickly jump into this particular news. They say that Ebuka Evangelist Ebuka has told Nigeria government to release Mazi Nnamdi, and also pleaded to the governor of Imo State, which is Hope Uzodinma, and one of his schools. Tell them to release Mazi Nnamdi, that you don't need their birthday gift. What you need is for them to go and release Mazi Nnamdi. So we are going to play the video for you to watch before we come back and proceed.
My senator, Ozim Nezing, Abuna Governor Imo State, Berabeba, Otosi bomb my phone, Simdiana this morning. Abuna Berabeba, this is the only birthday gift I need from you and him and the other senators here to go to Asorok and plead for release of Mazi Nnamdi. Do you know that Asaba, even though Asaba is still Igbo area in Delta, all the whole celebrities have left Owerri now Asaba. If you go to Asaba now, a plot of land now is millions, because everybody in the southeast are running away to Asaba. How can our own land develop? So my birthday gift I don't need money. If you give me money, I will not accept. Go to Asorok. Court has given Nnamdi Kanu that he should be released. This is my appeal. And I am coming from the angle of peace. I know that his release will bring peace in Igbo land. Am I speaking your mind? On the wisdom that I made this appeal. Okay, I said in them mother on. Open I said in them mother on. Like what can I do never? Like everywhere. Here, 1 million of people. Millions. Everywhere. Down. Overflowing is filled up. So we are giving you Mike to tell us your mission. How happy are you? Your own person. My appeal. What are you saying?
The governor of Imo State, Senator Uzodinma, is supposed to be here this afternoon. But because he is hosting the 1,000 persons he sent to Israel for pilgrimage, he's hosting them this afternoon. That is the only reason that he's not here. But I bring you his good wishes to our own brother, evangelist, pastor, prophet, anything you like, call him. Because Oruka, amen. So I bring you the governor's best wishes and the best wishes of people of Imo State. Because you are our son and we are very proud of you. The message you gave us, we are going to take the message to Asorok. You know, for those of you who are watching my activities in the Senate, I have already moved a motion with all the 14 Southeast senators calling for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But coming from our brother and our spiritual leader, who is coming from the angle of peace, we are going to take the message again, once more, to Asorok. And I strongly believe that they will listen to us. We are not going to disappoint you. We will not disappoint you. Because I strongly believe that they will listen to us.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, this is a moment where Chukwemeka Ebuka Obi, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, urged the governor of Imo State that he should have come, that one of his wish is for them to go and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that there should be peace and tranquility back to the state. True, holding Nnamdi Kanu has caused a lot of damages, but those that the governors refuse to tell themselves the truth because they feel they are in charge of the state. You are in charge of state without the people. That means you are nobody because the people did not regard you. So releasing, everybody have been spoken, releasing Nnamdi Kanu, releasing Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu know what to do, know what to do, so that there will be a peace and tranquility back to the southeast. But if people pay deaf ear to this particular prophecy that everybody is giving, so we are watching where your clamping down of everybody will lead you people to. Nnamdi Kanu, remember that he committed no crime, but ask that the injustice being perpetuated onto his own people must be stopped. If you people refuse to recognize us as one Nigeria, then allow us to go our separate ways. There are some fools who come to on social media to talk. Hey, before whatever that happened in the past has happened. We are talking of this present time. We are now. We are not here to read the logic of what happened in Ironso and what happened with no. We're talking of our present life we are living now. So that is what Nnamdi is talking. Release Nnamdi and restore peace to Southeast and meet the demand of the people. Guys, please share this video so that this video will go viral and people will hear that our people are speaking out though, but just that the governors and the Nnamdi refuse to pay attention to what is going on. So, however, they know and they don't want to talk about it. So, guys, please share this video and also subscribe and follow all our social media handles. We will see you for the next update.